I want to show you how to convert 2D image to 3D model, and it's my 2D image. First, I have to import into Inkscape, import JPEG, and path trace bitmap, smooth, gray, 3 seconds. Okay. And alt image delete. Yes, I see gray lines and I want to delete gray lines. Oops. Yes, delete. And I want to make it more smoother. Yes, it is. And save as svg and save as svg. svg is svg can be imported by Blender. Delete the box, file, import svg file. Oops. And save again. svg. With right mouse clicked and select it, and Alt K plus C shortcut and make from curve and press tab. Change to edit mode and AK. Yes, it is. Press E and Z with arrow keys and enter. Press AK and tap its object mode and tick. Press R, press X, press 90. It's 5 minutes. 2D to 3D model. And if you want, you can export it as stl.